Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, you know what to do. Grab your car keys, grab your phone, throw on your shoes, because we have a run glitch to talk about this morning. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. You're missing out on deals. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you turn on your notifications. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. It'll only take 2 seconds, and those are quick and easy ways that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, first up, just a couple of quick updates. I promise I will make it quick. I know that some people don't like it when I do this, but more people appreciate it than not. So, first up, if you are looking for more glitches, I uploaded this video last week, 20 glitches. A couple of them did expire on Saturday, but if you're looking for more freebies, more overages, super cheap items, go and check out that video. Number 2, we do have new clearance markdowns and a new penny list, and I did upload that video yesterday. And going right along with that video, I did add some more surprise pennies and visuals that have been found on the sales floor. So if you're looking for more pictures, more visuals of the actual items, go and check out that video. It's a really, really good one. And also, since there are so many surprise pennies out there, make sure that you go and check out my previous surprise penny videos as well from last week. I am still finding penny items out there, and those visuals are the key to my success. So make sure that you go and watch those videos, watch them a couple of times, all right? Now, we're going to jump back to our new clearance markdowns and our penny list, wink, wink, real quick, because we just received this DG cashback offer for $1 back on the Jack Link's beef jerky. So make sure that you have that clip to your account. I have not had time to run the UPCs through this morning and check to see if this offer actually attaches to the items that we have currently on clearance. They're currently at 90% off, so you definitely want to make sure that you have this clip to your account. But in the event that this does attach, that's going to be a moneymaker. Also, make sure that you have this offer clipped on Ibotta as well. Typically, when we have a DG cashback offer, one will also show up on Ibotta as well. So, make sure that you have those clipped, and when you're out clearance and penny shopping, make sure that you type in your phone number. Let's not leave this money on the table. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and jump into this run glitch deal. Now this one is not going to last long. I'm going to bet that it will be fixed within the next couple of days. If not, if this glitch is still going on by Saturday, the shelves will probably be cleared. So get out there, grab this deal before it is gone. Now for anybody who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. So let's see what's going on this morning. Here we have the Bounce Outdoor Fresh Dryer Sheets, 34 count. They're normally priced at $2 each. We just received this 5 off 3 digital coupon. You are supposed to purchase one of the Tide Simply, one of the Downy, and one of the Bounce Dryer Sheets and get $5 off. However, this coupon is glitching. You can pick up 3 of the Bounce Dryer Sheets at $2 each. That $5 is coming off, and that's going to leave you paying $1 for all 3 items. Now, y'all don't click off the video just yet, because we've still got a couple of things that we need to talk about, okay? Next up, we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon on the Air Wick warmers. We just received this one this morning. The Air Wick advanced warmers are priced at $4, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now, this deal is not a glitch. It should last all week long. It is a legit deal, but again, I know that in certain areas, the shelves will be cleared. If you think that is your area, you may want to go ahead and grab this if it is on the shelf this morning. So there's your one more freebie. And one last thing before I let y'all run off to Dollar General and grab up all of these deals. It is the holiday season. We are all shopping and spending, and oh, it really hurts our wallets. So do not forget, when you get your receipts back, scan them. Scan them into everything. We have Fetch Rewards. We have the P&G Good Everyday.com website rewards program. Bounce Dryer Sheets are a part of that program. So you're going to earn, I believe it's 50 points per P&G product, up to 5 products on 1 receipt. And then you can turn those points into gift cards. So Fetch Rewards, we have P&G Good. We also have things like Ibotta, Brand Club, all of the rebate apps that I use, and coupon websites. everything is listed for you in the pinned comment right down below this video. That means that it is the top comment in the comment section. All you have to do is click on the comments. It's going to be the very first one that you see. So if you are looking for more ways to save a little bit of cash this holiday season, make sure that you check out that pinned comment. Check out any of the links. If you use my referral codes, you get a little bit of an extra bonus. So let's not leave that money laying on the table. Y'all take advantage of those rebate apps. If you have any questions, I'm here. You can email me, reach out to me on Instagram, leave a comment down below. And y'all, that's going to be it for me for now. But make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because it's a brand new week of Dollar General deals. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.